Hello, you beautiful people out there. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Zeal. Tanpit Kaur this side. Today we'll be doing a pick card reading for you. The question for today is, what is the message of your angels for you? Some urgent message that they want to convey to you. So make your choice. Pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Take a deep breath, make your choice, and I'll meet you there. For the people who've chosen pile number 1. Okay, so the message from your angel is you are facing a lot of obstacles right now. So you have to overcome those obstacles, work on those obstacles. If you have a decision to make that decision. Do not delay decisions because of your own fears or your own ego, arrogance. All these things are misguiding you in your life at this point of time. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You cannot just stay in your comfort zone and expect a different result to happen for you. So I feel there is a decision to make at this point of time, and your angels are telling you to move out of your comfort zone, express yourself creatively, make bold decisions at this point of time, and recognize your full potential. You have a lot of potential in you, but because of your fears and all these problems, you're not able to express yourself. You're not able to make changes in your life. So I think what you need right now is to focus on letting go of all these problems that you're facing, letting go of all these emotions, this arrogance, ego, fears. You have to let go of all these things, and you have to manifest a change in your life. Right now you're not manifesting a change in your life, you're walking the same path. So if you are walking the same path again and again, you cannot expect different results. Okay, so if you want a different result, maybe you have to manifest a different path for you. So as you sow, so shall you reap. So sow something that you want to reap in the future. Okay, so this is the time to manifest the right things in your life, make the right decisions in your life. And what is the second card is telling me? Are you connected with all knowing, all seeing parts of yourself? Allow for the unimpeded flow of information, knowledge, and wisdom that is within you. Seek out calming experiences such as meditation and visualizations. Take notice of the signs and symbols around you and contemplate their meaning. You have to find your peace, your calmness. That's why you can meditate for that. Yes, you can meditate for that. And you have to sit and envision what or where these fears, this ego, arrogance, where is it coming from? Why are you feeling all those things? Why is this thing coming up in your life at this point of time? Why is it guiding the path for you? Why are you not able to take your own decisions? So you have these questions that you have to clear. You have to gain clarity for these things. I feel right now you are not clear in what you want in your life because of these negative emotions that are rising up in your life. Maybe you need to clear your heart chakra is also very important right now for you. So once you make a decision, because there's a lot of confusion, so your third eye is also blocked and your heart chakra is also blocked. So work on these two, and the guidance is coming to you. The angels are sending you messages, but are you ready to listen? Are you ready to let go of all the fears? The sweet orange here is telling me that you have to conquer your fears and obsessions because they are paving the path for you right now. But you have to pave your own path. You cannot just get distracted by all these negative emotions in your life. Bring happiness to your heart. Bring some kind of regeneration to your heart. The angels are guiding you. They want to regenerate your spirit. They want to create a vitality in your soul. So I feel just listen. There are lots of messages coming for you. There is a lot of clarity that is coming to you. You have to clear yourself. Maybe forget about what has happened in the past and move on, because the past should not pave the future path for you. Take decisions with authority now. Do not step back on any of your decisions, and just gain some clarity and clear yourself out and take the decision now, because this is the right time to take a decision and manifest what you want in your life. Do not step back at this point of time. Step in and take your decision, I feel. So this is the message the angels want to give you. Step up and take your decision. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For the people who've chosen pile number 2. So this is the message from your angels. So what your angels want to tell you right now at this point of time is stop doubting yourself. Okay, you have been creating a lot of doubts in your mind about yourself. You are creating a lot of self-pity for yourself. You are creating a lot of issues in your mind. You feel you're not worthy of things. If you have been doing all those activities, if you can think, okay, I have been putting myself down, stop doing that. Your angels are telling you to rise as a king. Okay, you have this energy, you have this wands energy, you have this fire energy in you. Yes, you can create whatever you want out of it. Embrace this creativity, create a life that you want. Okay, and share this wisdom with more people. You are very wise. You are here to share things with people. You are here to help more people. So do not have second thoughts. And so if you are having like second thoughts about things, stop those second thoughts. Okay, and make them go. They are not needed. Your judgment is very good. Do not question yourself. Have faith and follow what your heart is saying to you. Okay, do not just block yourself out of all these things. You have so much potential in you. You have so much in your future. Maybe you have to embrace this energy of this king. Okay, you are the king of your own life. You can make your own decisions, and your decisions, you should trust them. You should have faith on your own decisions. Okay, and enjoy your life. Take your decisions, enjoy your life. Do not question yourself again and again and put yourself down. Okay, I cannot do this and I cannot do that. Stop that thoughts in your mind. If something is talking to you and telling you cannot do this, tell yourself, yes, I can. I have the courage, the wisdom to take this decision. I have this creativity to create what I want. There are a lot of people who would want to follow you once you reach this stage. Okay, I feel you have to embrace this energy. Embrace this energy, and then I see you moving on. I see you achieving a lot of things in your life. So your angels want you to embrace this energy. And secondly, what we have for you is, have you been getting outdoors often enough? Are you spending time reconnecting with nature? Get outside and dig your hands into the earth. Garden, play in the grass with animals, walk in nature, and allow the ground beneath your feet and the sun above your head to nurture you and realign you. So what is this telling us? This is telling us to ground. You have to ground yourself. Okay, so for people who do not understand grounding is an activity to connect with Mother Nature, okay, with your planet Earth. So I will share the activity of how to ground. You can check my page. In the community section, I'll share how you can ground yourself. Please go and ground yourself, okay? Go in a park, go in open places and ground yourself, because that is right now needed for you. You have to balance your yin and yang energy. So the male and feminine energy in you, you need to balance them. There's a balance that is needed. There's a clarity that is needed. You have the courage. Call your courage and you will rise. You have so much within you. Do not let these self-doubts block you. Okay? You are very stable and very strong. Embrace this energy. And then we have the Clove card. What this is telling us is move forward. Okay? action, activity has to happen. Okay, so your angels want you to move forward. Do not be stuck here. Because you're creating so many self-doubts, you're stuck in this energy at this point of time. Stop creating these self-doubts and move forward. Make things happen. You are here to inspire people. You can inspire a lot of people here. So believe in yourself. Once you start believing in yourself, a regeneration is ready to happen. So your angels want to tell you to purify yourself. Okay? Hold in this courage position. You have the power to make your life the way you want. So for the people who chosen pile number 2, that is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and follow my channel. For pile number 3, this is the message from your angels. What I see here is your angels are telling you all your wishes are coming true. Whatever you have been manifesting in your past, everything is coming true for you. Whatever you want in your life, I see everything, abundance, materialistic gain, career, everything is getting aligned for you. Everything is coming true for you. All your hopes, all your dreams, everything is coming to fruition. At this point of time, you should understand the value of gratitude also. Because if you have everything in your life, you should share. You should have gratitude for whatever you have gained in your life, okay, or whatever you will be gaining in your life. I feel a sense of achievement, a sense of abundance for you, a sense of success for you. Just keep in mind to share it with more and more people. Embrace this energy, and yes, all your problems, all your health worries, if you were having any, you are getting into good health. If you were having financial issues, I see material gains happening for you. If you have been looking out for a job, I see your career being aligned. Okay, so you are coming into this energy of fulfillment, of energy of abundance, energy of achievement. So whatever you have been manifesting, you are going to achieve that in your life. And this is the message for you for now. And what the blue tiger's eye is telling us is, are you looking at something from only one angle? Do you need to rise above a situation to see with greater clarity? It's time to take a step to gain a new perspective on life. Trust your ability to see things and read situations clearly. Inner visions and dream are helpful for self-knowledge. Okay, so what this is telling us, that if you have been having some kind of stress or some kind of anxieties related to your manifestations, related to your dreams, related to your goals, it is asking you to clear those, okay, and view things from other perspectives as well. Do not limit your thinking from one perspective, because if you, maybe once you view the things from another perspective, you will realize that happiness, abundance is there. Okay, there will be a lot of clarity related to your goals, related to what you have manifested, and lots of growth is also coming for you. So if you are running a business or something, this is growth which is coming for you. This is activating your throat chakra. Throat chakra activating will help you clear the blockages of not being able to say things, not being able to step up and speak for yourself, not being able to express yourself. All these things are getting cleared for you. The horizons are expanding for you. You are getting better opportunities. So with all this expansion happening for you and better opportunities are coming for you, I feel stay in this positive phase. And yes, the tea tree, this is an oil for strength. So yes, you are achieving everything in your life with the strength to look to things from a different perspective. And yes, that will give you fulfillment, that will give you abundance, that will give you joy. Okay, so embrace this happiness and enjoy your life. I feel stop questioning, start enjoying. That is what we have for you today. Pile number 3. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and in the comment section below please leave a question you want me to take up next time. Thank you so much for watching.